Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So we are given a quadratic equation, and anytime you hear a question asking equivalent to the expression above, it means they just want to rewrite in or a restatement of that expression. And if you glance over at the answers, you find that all these four choices are in vertex form. So this quadratic equation is in standard form, and we need to convert it to vertex form. To do that, you may recall that we said we have to use the completing the square method, and it works as follows. The first step is to subtract 4, basically move the constant to the right side. And then that leaves us with x squared plus 6x plus blank. We always leave blank spaces. And if you leave a blank on the left, you also leave a blank on the right side. To fill in the blank, we say we're going to use this tiny formula, b over 2 raised to the second power. So our b value here is 6. We're going to divide that by 2, and we're going to square it. So that would be 3 squared, which is 9. So we know these blank spaces are going to have 9s in them. Now on the right side, life is good because we're just adding two numbers together. -4 plus 9 is simply 5. And on the left side, life is also good because now we've created a perfect square trinomial, which factors really beautifully. That's the whole point of completing the square. You can always rely on the factor on the left being a really great factor. So how do we fill in this parentheses? We say that we always take the square root of this first number, and then we take the square root of this last number, and then we always copy the first line. So we have x plus 3 squared equals 5. And to complete this, we then move this 5 back to the left side. So subtract 5 here. If you subtract 5 on the right, you subtract it on the left also for the final answer of x plus 3 squared minus 5. And that makes B the correct answer to this question.